Alright, now we got no traffic. Let's follow, buddy. It's going quick enough to have fun. Getting a little jiggy on it. Fucking hot. Back in, step it out on the brakes. Oh, I'm missing the corner. Okay. Don't take the 300 line. At the 5. Yeah. Hello, hello. Alright, after riding to Tianda from FP1 to FP4 or 5, but now we're going to go out on the BMW, and this is going to be really awkward and tough. Switching back to the big old semi-truck. The other bike just wants to steer and fall, and no track found. And this bike's going to just feel like shit. Let's just go out and try to get a rhythm, and don't brake at the 2, brake at the 4. The suspension's cold, and of course, also interesting is because the bike is all muffled and such, and we don't go too fast here, and I was riding the Tianda with no earplugs, I'm going to try to do the same thing. I'm going to ride with no earplugs, which is totally new for me. We'll see how that feels. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, the bike feels big already. Brakes feel good though. No knee down in the pit, that's for sure. Oh, the power. Oh my god, it's so weird. Whoa. Quick shifter. Holy shit. Oh, it doesn't steer. Oh my, it's semi-truck. Oh. It's just to come out of the corner. Oh my god. Interesting. Big fat tire. Feels like a car tire. Oh, it's definitely weird. I don't know what gear, like second gear, I guess. Oh, it's really weird. Oh. Woo, it's loud. And the second. Trail, trail, trail. Rocking some garbage tires out of the garbage pile. Oh. It just falls into the corner. Whoa, rocket speed! Woo! No. This is so crazy. It's kind of nice without earplugs. You really get to hear the bike when it's all muffled down. we go. Whoa, don't fall. It just goes. Wow. Whoa. Down to second. Oh, there's knee drag. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Definitely weird to switch bikes to this beast after riding the little Tianda. Oh, we got traffic. They were like stopped in the entrance. Because we don't go so fast, you don't have too much wind sound, like really bugs you. Whoa, losing the rear there. Get that weight forward, motocross style. Should turn the traction control up, this rear tire is shit. Whoa, it's bouncing. Wheel drag. I mean, I got, what am I talking about? The front brake. There we go. There we go, that's a little better. We got like 6 spectators, maybe 5. Nope. It's like me on a little bike and big bikes flying by, just scaring ya. Oh, my flashers are on. What button did I hit for that? Where's that? Oh, there it is. What's that smell? I'm in 3rd gear. Let's see how that rolls out of the corner. Whoa, I've missed the corner. I'm getting arm pump, hand pump. Just gotta go fast enough to beat Q-Man and Sparrow. Right at the wall. There's second. Oh, the tight line. Leg dangling like Q-Man into that corner. Not very quick. Alright, now we got no traffic. buddy. It's going quick enough to have fun. Getting a little jiggy on it. Fucking hot. Back in, step it out on the brakes. Oh, I'm missing the corner. Okay. Don't take the 300 line. At the 5. Yeah. Wide. Let's stay in third, see what happens. That's not too bad. Whoa! Put some weight on my inside arm. I gotta use the tank more. First gear by mistake. I got hand pump. Might get my foot in the right spot. Trail brake, look up on the throttle, and there's third, trail, in tight, get on the throttle. Oh, fuck that up. Gotta stop looking at that fucking curb. Actually, where I want to end up. Oh, hand pump, 13, okay. Oh. Well, like a little bit of rhythm. Oh, it's freaking hot. It's so weird without earplugs. It's way more, you get quite the sensation of sound and speed. It kind of heightens the experience a little bit for the better on this small track when you don't have crazy sound. Oh, I should put a pad on this one, just like I did on the Tianda. No, I'm okay, bud. I got your stand, remember? Well, I did a 13. 13, motherfucker! Bap, 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 bam! Not that that's fast, but it was in traffic. Man, it is so crazy switching to that big bike. My vocals are hilarious.